Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make chicken Alfredo pasta. This is a very yummy and delicious recipe and you will be sure to like it. As always, you can change the recipe to your preference in terms of spice and salt tolerance. But either way, this recipe is wonderful and this is all you need to make this yummy, delicious chicken Alfredo pasta. So without further delay, let's get straight into the recipe. We're going to take a large pan and add about 1 jug of water, and to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. And I have this long pasta here. You can also use fettuccine pasta. It doesn't really matter what pasta you use. You can use normal penny pasta, but here I have this, and you want to boil that and strain it. Then I'm taking about half a kilogram of chicken breast, and to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of whole fat yogurt and about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and a few chili flakes. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil to allow the spices to stick to the chicken well. You can now adjust the salt and pepper to your taste, and then just take a spoon and give this a good old mix, making sure that all of your spice is fully incorporated and you have a nice marinade. I'm now taking the pan again and adding about 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm using 1 block of ginger garlic paste. On a low to medium flame, you want to use your spoon and just gently brown the ginger garlic until it turns into a nice golden color like this. To this I'm going to add about 1 cup of extra thick whipping cream. You can also use normal double or heavy cream, or if you prefer you can also use coconut cream or coconut milk. And then I'm just going to mix this in with the ginger garlic and the oil and allow this to simmer on a low to medium flame. Make sure your flame is not too high, and once the cream is starting to mix you can see the bubbles forming inside the cream. Just keep mixing this well, making sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and that it's all evenly distributed. And then I'm going to take around 1 cup of full fat milk and mix this in, because otherwise our Alfredo sauce would be too thick, as the extra thick cream is going to continue to thicken during the whole cooking process. I'm now adding 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and about 1 tablespoon of salt. Once all of that is added, you want to use your wooden spoon and give this all a nice mix. My flame is still on a medium flame and I'm making sure that I'm mixing well. As you can see, the cream is still thickening into the milk, and this is why it's necessary that we keep mixing with the milk so it's all even and there's no clumps. Now you want to add any cheese of your choice. You can add Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese. I added 2 of these cheese slices as I like the taste of this. You can go for any cheese you prefer, it doesn't really matter. And then mix this all well on a lower flame now and incorporate the cheese into the cream and milk mixture until your cream has nicely thickened. As I used extra thick cream, it's going to continue thickening, so I'm adding more milk here to allow a nice smooth sauce. And once this has all simmered down, I'm going to add in my boiled pasta and give this a nice mix. After you've added your pasta, you just want to give this a nice mix to make sure that your sauce is fully combined with all of your pasta, and then leave this on a slight low flame just to make sure that it's all fully cooked and it's all looking good. And then I'm gonna plate up my pasta here. As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious. We have a nice creamy saucy Alfredo pasta, and you can see the black pepper, you can see all of the cream, the cheese, the milk. It's all fully combined, and now we're gonna get ready for the chicken. This is marinated for a while now, that's why it's slightly thick because of the yogurt. Just give this a mix before you start to cook it. I'm then gonna take a pan and add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Allow your oil to heat on a low flame and then add in your chicken breasts as required. You want to make sure that your flame is low to avoid the chicken sticking at the bottom and burning. And then I'm going to allow this to cook on each side for about 5 minutes before I flip it, and as you can see it's starting to cook. So I'm just going to continue flipping the chicken and making sure it's cooked fully on both sides and it's nice and tender. And then once it looks like this, we're going to pop this onto our plate of pasta. And then to make this look like restaurant style, I'm just going to take a knife here and cut into the chicken into pieces like this, as they do serve in restaurants. You can do this before you plate the pasta. I'm just doing it now because once you cut it, the sauce and juice of chicken, it will leak onto the chopping board, and I don't want that because I'd rather have it all in the pasta and then mix this all and enjoy my meal. And that is it for today, guys. We have taught you how to make chicken Alfredo pasta, and this is so delicious and it's very minimal, very easy. I hope you guys like it. Please be sure to try it. Let me know how it went for you. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye guys.